Yes, you are right. We've given Central Poultry Dudu, yes, prohibition order. In other words, we've closed Dudu for a number of reasons. We came here for labor inspections. We went around the premises and we found out that there are grave breach of the labor laws. For example, most of the people that we found working there did not have the PPEs, and yet these people are exposed to very cold and sometimes hot conditions. They have to handle very cold chicken with bare hands, without PPEs, protective wear. This is unacceptable, even when it comes to food safety. I mean, why should they be handling food without any protection? This is a chicken that ends up on our tables, and then they're using bare hands, very cold chicken using bare hands. This is unacceptable. These workers also required to be getting into the cold rooms where they store the chicken, and they get there without any protective wear, and that's hazardous actually to health, because they're exposed to very extreme conditions, very extreme temperatures without any PPEs. We also found out that even the premises in terms of sanitation, they're not okay. On the floors, the floors are watery all over, no proper hygiene, and this is where we get our chicken from. This is unacceptable. We also found out that there are so many unfair labor practices, even when it comes to the pays, when it comes to overtime. They come here 6 o'clock in the morning, they knock off at 10 p.m. and basically they're supposed to be working for 8 hours, and if they work beyond that, they're supposed to be properly compensated, be given overtime allowances. We found out they really don't get properly compensated for long hours, and even when they knock off at 10 p.m. and sometimes at 12 midnight, they're not even given transport. They move from here to 36 others, maybe in Falls and other places around here. They have to move on foot. They're not protected at all. And whenever they are attacked by thugs, and some women are even raped as they get out of this place, they are never compensated by dude. This is unacceptable. We also have cases of compensation when they get injured. As you moved with us in the factory, you found that these people are exposed to very hazardous conditions because they use knives and all that kind of stuff, and then when they get cut, they are not properly compensated. Actually, I saw some guys there who have just had cuts today. They just bandaged their fingers and they continue to work. This is very unacceptable. We also found issues of expatriates. There are quite a number of expatriates here. Expatriates that are doing works that could ordinarily be done by Malawians. We have expatriates just weighing a chicken, something that Malawians can do. Actually, there's an expatriate who actually is placed at a gate, like a gate man, an expatriate. Are you sure we don't have a gate man in Malawi? So this is all unacceptable, and that's why today, as Minister of Labor, we've issued a prohibition order. In other words, we've closed this place until they make improvements, especially the critical areas, the issues of PPE. We cannot continue for them to continue production, not even for an hour, not even for a day. It's unacceptable. You can't be handling chickens, very cold chicken, and the hot chickens, hot water, using bare hands. It's unacceptable. Even their children, they can't do that. They can't do that. And these are Malawians, and we need to protect them. So that's why today we've actually closed to. When they are ready, we're going to reopen them.
Now,